So guys, why you should learn Salesforce Marketing Cloud? You are a professional or you are a fresher. You are curious about Salesforce Marketing Cloud. You have seen my past video where I demonstrated the use case of Salesforce Marketing Cloud taking use cases from Amazon. We understood how Amazon is able to do its data-driven marketing with the help of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Amazon might be working on any other platform. I'm not saying that Amazon is using Salesforce Marketing Cloud, but we have to understand one basic thing is the data-driven marketing. So platforms like Salesforce Marketing Cloud facilitates CRM-based data-driven marketing. And Salesforce is an industry leader in CRM and marketing automation. That is why I'm taking that use case. So why you should learn Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a platform which will enable you with the knowledge of data-driven marketing. You will understand how technical marketing is performed in various multinational companies. You have to work on designing emails, data-driven emails, not the simple emails, but the data-driven emails where a technical scripting language called AMScript will be applicable. If you learn Salesforce Marketing Cloud, you will be able to dynamically design highly data-driven emails. For example, you can design an email and you can send to a list of customers, but you can change the content from that email. Suppose if again we take an example from Amazon, like me, there are thousands of people or millions of people I should say who are going and abandoning a cart. Everybody is receiving an abandoned cart email, but the content of that email varies. It will show my products which I abandoned into my Amazon's cart. Somebody else will see their products which they abandoned into their own Amazon account. So you will be getting chance to design data-driven emails. You will be getting chance to learn AMScript, which is a scripting language used to design these data-driven emails. You will get chance to work on journeys and automations. What is journey or automation? Journey defines a customer life cycle. You can take any example. For example, you can take a welcome series journey. In the welcome series journey, what we do, suppose I went and I signed up on any other platform, I receive a welcome email that welcome to our platform. Suppose that platform is an e-commerce platform. After some time, I'll also get another email that this is your first, this is a coupon of 10% off. You might apply on your first purchase. So, and then there will be a follow-up email that you have not utilized this coupon. Kindly use this coupon to purchase your first product and enjoy 10% off. So this is a scenario where a series of 3 emails are designed, and these 3 emails form a particular journey which is known as welcome journey. So there are multiple type of complex journeys which companies are enrolling into their marketing automation systems. You will get chance to work on those journeys. You will get chance to work on Android and iOS apps where your primary work would be to design push notifications, the dynamic data-driven push notifications. You might purchase a product, you get SMS, you get push notifications. Those push notifications tell you the product you have purchased, the amount. Similar way, anybody else can purchase those products and they will receive the content, the push notification or the SMS based on their purchase behavior. So you will also get chance to work on push notifications. You will get chance to work on SMS, MMS. You will get chance to work on WhatsApp messaging. All these are dynamic messaging where the scripting language is required. The SQL is required. Why SQL? Because SQL is a database language. When you are working with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, you will be given data extensions, which are a type of relational database. So to interact, to get your desired data from those database tables, which are data extensions. You need SQL. So it requires some technical skills. It requires skills to design emails like HTML, CSS. It requires skills to design or make emails, SMS, push notifications dynamic. It requires AMP scripting. It requires lots of technical skills. So these technical skills are associated with IT domain. So it's but obvious that when you are learning Salesforce Marketing Cloud, you are switching your career to a technology, and you will get chance to work with information technology companies. Especially in India, you have TCS, Infosys, Capgemini, Wipro, Cognizant, HCL, plenty of product-based companies, plenty of banks, and plenty of e-commerce domains. Almost everybody is using Salesforce Marketing Cloud for their day-to-day marketing automation requirements. So you will get chance to work with these shiny brands. It will help your CV a lot. It will give you a purpose in your career. You will be associated with a particular domain, which is marketing automation. And Salesforce is a strong provider of this marketing automation solutions to these companies. Salesforce regularly updates its products. Salesforce keeps on getting new features and enhancements. Salesforce is also having a pressure to make their product better and better day by day. So as they are making products better and better day by day, more and more clients will be enrolling. Salesforce will gain more and more customers, and if they get more and more customers, if you are knowledgeable engineer or a consultant of any Salesforce product, especially Salesforce Marketing Cloud, you stand high chance to secure a high paying job. So Salesforce Marketing Cloud will, or you can say, has become an essential product every company must have, so that they can do their marketing automation better. Thanks.